What's up, everybody? So today we're doing another opening. Um, we're doing another opening. We've got some promos, Black Bolt, White Flare promos. Um, so yeah, let's get straight into it. So over here we've got the Ren, 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 Reniculus, Reuniculus, whatever that is, Reuniculus. I didn't know like all the Gen 5 Pokemon super well. So what we're going to do, we're going to open these up and we are going to open all the packs at once. We're going to take a look at the promo cards in each one. Okay, let's not do that. That seems stupid. That seems a little dumb. Here, let's bring how y'all like that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we got the camera coming up. Got the camera coming up so you can see the full thing, full unboxing. Okay. I believe this one is the White Flare? Black Bolt. Okay. Well, I'm slow. So these come with three. I got these at GameStop. The GameStop drop that happened not too long ago, like Friday, I think. It's a tech sticker collection. Mostly, dude, these promos. Can I? Okay. These promos that came out with them are dope. They're pretty sick, in my opinion. So we get three Black Bolt packs with that, but look at that. Let's get that. Let's get that right. Let's get that looking right. It's pretty Reuniclus. Reuniclus. I think it looks pretty sick. We're gonna sleeve it. We're gonna sleeve that hoe. And you know what? Let's give it a top loader too, because that promo art is sick. Just have respect for the card. So we've got that. Pretty dope. Let's see if I can get this to be symmetrical. That's symmetrical enough. Here's a code card for anybody that wants it. There you go. Don't know who would want that, but hey. Now the Gothitelle one is sick. The Gothitelle one is really dope. That's the one I'm excited for. With the moon, reminds me of the Moonbryon artwork. Um, that's the actual tech sticker box, and this is the White Flare side of the tech sticker promo that they had. Okay, fuck it. We're using the knife. Oh shit. Okay, are we good? Okay, we're good. For one little nudge on the camera. Barrel opening. Okay, we got a little tech sticker. Got Gothitelle, and whatever the other evolution is. I don't remember. And we've got the dope promo card, which I think is like probably the best part. Look at that with the moon. Come on now. Come on now. What are we doing? What are we doing? Here, let me get pretty sick. Pretty sick promo. I'm getting better. I'm getting better at sleeving these cards. That's pretty dope. All right, and then last but definitely not least, probably my favorite promo out of all of this is the Victini illustration collection. Just look at that with the jumbo card too. I don't want to knock over the camera, so I'm just gonna open this over here on this side. Bro, that promo is sick. It is sick. Illustration collection. Alright. Let's get this open. If I can open it. Okay, we've got the jumbo card of Victini, which is pretty dope. Hold on to that one. And then we've got the little Pokeball Victini. And we've got the actual illustration Victini. Which are both pretty dope. I get all this stuff together. All right. So we've got the Pokeball Victini. Let's move the camera down a little bit. We'll sleeve that up. Let's put in normie sleeve. I'm not gonna break out the top loader for that one. It doesn't even have promo on it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but down there on the bottom left, it's still just like Black Star. It's not promo, which is interesting. This one has it though, the little promo thing. But look at that. That's such a dope promo. I usually don't see Pokemon releasing like cool promo cards. This is like the first time that I've ever seen them release a cool promo card. But we'll put that in a top loader as well. Pretty sick. There's cat hair on this. But there we go. Pretty dope. Pretty dope, if you ask me. So, out of all of that, we've got 5 White Flare, 5 Black Bolt. I like Black Bolt better, so I'm going to save those for last. But let's get straight into it. Let's get straight into the opening. I'm trying to think of where to put this. We've got the code card for you. And then we got Scraggy, Basculin, Panseer, Shelmet, Gigalith, Heatmore, Hilda, Frillish, Swadloon, and we have a Hollow Gothitelle. Come on, let's get something. Let's get something out of these packs. That's what I'm hoping. That's what I'm praying for. Last night pulled some heat out of Destined Rivals, though. I mean, literally some crazy heat. As well as Cottony. I forgot. Code card. Plume Fossil, Blitzel, Hilda, Sawsbuck, Stoutland. We got Pokeball Virizion. It's not bad. We'll take those. We take those. Litwick and a Hollow Zoroark, or regular rare. I can't tell half the time these days if something is a rare or if it's a hollow. This pack was like already half open. Oh, I see something. Code card. Pharaoh Seed, Trubbish. All right, let's try it. Let's try a different strat, so I'm not spoiling it. Oshawott, Yamask, Scrafty, Swanna, Druddigon, Dewott, Lillipup, and Keldeo EX. All right, we got something. We're getting something. I'm hyped tomorrow. I've got a bunch of stuff. I was on Whatnot. Nice indeed. Thank you, G Duffy. I was on Whatnot. Spent way too much money bidding on Pokemon cards. Way too much money. But all of it is coming in like tomorrow or the next day. Gothita, Vanillish, Purloin, Litwick, Sock, Simisear, Harlequin, Pokeball Lubini. Ooh! And we've got illustration rare, Swanna. Hell yeah. That's a pretty sick card. I've got a page in my binder, like, devoted to, like, water cards. I know exactly where this card is going. I know exactly where that card is going. Let's go. Swanna. Take a look at that. That's a beautiful artwork. I cannot lie. Beautiful artwork. All right, we got something. We got something. Can't be mad about that. Not gonna be pulling SIR. Hello, Evelyn Williams. How you doing? Not gonna be pulling SIR every opening. Code card. Doing great. That's good to hear. Scraggy, Basculin, Pansear, Shelmet, Swoobat, Scrafty. That artwork's pretty sick. Regular Normie Swanna, Lampent, Swoobat, and a regular rare Archeops and hollow energy. Okay. Now we're moving on to the Black Bolt. Give me a Black Bolt or what? VWR right now. BWR rarity is what we're looking for. Code card. Little code card for you. Are you also on YouTube? I am on YouTube. Larvesta, Clang, Cubchoo, Pidove, Braviary, Cryogonal, Electric, Reverse Fungus, Reverse Clang, and a Superior EX. Not bad. We're getting polls. Okay, I know the name of your channel. It's Moots, spelled the same way. YT. Just Moots YT. I tried to get Moots like regular, just Moots, but taken on most platforms. Here's a code card. Solacis, Audino, Venipede, Emolga, Electros, Crustle, Bisharp, Minchino, Pampor, and we got Victini. Yo, it's a sign. It's a sign. It's a sign. It's a sign. We're going to get the BWR. We're going to get the BWR Victini. That's what it's saying. That's what it's telling us. In one of these packs. That's what we're getting. Code card. Le calm code card. Cubed. Okay. Clang. Solacis. Audino. Venipede. Professor's Research. Unpheasant. Cryogonal. Ooh, Pokeball Musharna. I'll take it. I'll take it. Drillbur. And Volcarona. Okay. Okay, this is lining up the same way with the White Flare. Doing great on YouTube. Thank you. I appreciate it. The YouTube channel, it's growing. It's growing slowly but surely. Code card. Lacombe code card. Solacis. Audino. Evelyn Williams, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Venipede. Emolga. Scolipede. Braviary. Cryogonal. Reverse Tynamo. Reverse Tortuga. And Thundurus. Nothing crazy. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Last pack of the day. Let's see something. Let's see something crazy. Let's get crazy. Let's get wicked. Let's get wild. Come on. Got a code card. Little code card for you. Timber. Muna. Snivy. Pampor. I've never liked the Pampor, Pansage, those monkeys. Air Balloon. Darmanitan. Simisage. Pokeball Muna. Oh, we got Pokeball Muna and Musharna. Pretty fire. Ins Plan. Oh! Last pack magic, baby. Superior Ultra Rare EX. Let's go. Can I get it in the thing? Do you have any Discord server? I do not have a Discord server yet. That's pretty dope. Last pack magic. That's what you like to see. Not bad. Not bad. We got one illustration rare. We got one, probably two biggest pulls. Two biggest pulls of the day. Let's see those. Not too bad. Not too bad. We got a lot of Pokeballs. We got a lot of normie cards. But not bad. We had one Pokeball, two Pokeball, three Pokeball, four Pokeball, and two EX cards. Not bad at all. Out of 10 packs, that's 8 hits in 10 packs. Like, come on. I would consider a Pokeball hit. I would consider a Pokeball hit. I don't know about y'all, but I would definitely consider Pokeballs as hits. And not bad Pokeballs like Virizion, and we got Muna and Musharna. Yo, I could make a Lacombe little master set or something. Master set out Pokeballs. Get all these sleeved up. Did I pull out the correct amount of sleeves? Let's see. Damn, I pulled out one extra sleeve. Crazy. I was one off. Tragic. But we'll have a bigger pack opening tomorrow, but not bad pulls. Not bad pulls at all. I will take those. And I swear it's a daily thing that I drop the camera. But not bad. Not bad at all. We'll have a bigger pack opening tomorrow. And also I'll be streaming some kind of horror game tonight is the plan. That's what I'm planning on doing. Don't know what yet. I might look at some recommendations that y'all have given me, but we'll see. But for now, I appreciate y'all watching. Tune in to any of my other videos, and thank you. Bye-bye.